he like coming to get that. I didn't get my little girl loving all these things. She's like, Mom, look at this snake. Can we get one? And her daddy's looking at me like, see what you done did to our daughter? She's supposed to be a little girl. She is. She a tomboy. Shoot. So you know, ain't no fun being girly girl. And I want to touch it. I want to see how it feels. He's more or less an asshole.
He ain't bad, is it?
He's pretty to look at.
He just want to be left alone.
That's how, you know, the first lizard I ever bought from y'all, the leopard spider gecko, I still have him. And that's how he is. He ain't too fond of being touched.
How you doing, sir? Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm like, I don't think
Hey.
Hey.
Okay, 2 months.
Thank you.